Today, we're diving into the fascinating life of the 40th President of the United States, Ronald Reagan. Beyond his political career, Reagan lived a truly remarkable life filled with surprising twists and turns. So, let's get into some facts you might not know about the great communicator. Before he ever set foot in the Oval Office, Reagan was a bona fide Hollywood star. He acted in over 50 films. His on-screen career began in the late 1930s, and he shared the silver screen with legends like Bette Davis and Humphrey Bogart. His acting experience is often credited with helping him develop his charismatic public speaking style. He wasn't just reading lines. He knew how to connect with an audience, whether it was through a camera or from a podium. Here's a fun one. Reagan absolutely loved jelly beans. Seriously, his favorite flavor was licorice. He started eating them as a way to give up pipe smoking. During his presidency, the Jelly Belly Company supplied the White House, and jars of jelly beans could be found on the cabinet room table and throughout the West Wing. It's said that they became a staple at his meetings, and he'd often share them with visiting dignitaries and heads of state. Did you know Reagan was also a lifeguard? And a very good one at that. During his summers as a teenager in his home state of Illinois, he worked as a lifeguard at Lowell Park on the Rock River. Over 7 summers, he is credited with saving 77 people from drowning. He would later joke that none of them ever thanked him, but it's an incredible testament to his sense of duty and quick thinking even at a young age. Another surprising chapter in his life was his role as the president of the Screen Actors Guild, or SAG. He served in this position from 1947 to 1952 and again in 1959. This was a challenging period in Hollywood, marked by labor disputes and political tensions. His leadership experience here gave him his first real taste of negotiation and governance, skills that would prove invaluable later in his political career. It was in this role that he began to shape the political philosophies that would define his presidency. Finally, let's talk about his nickname. While many called him the Great Communicator, his Secret Service code name was Rawhide. This was a nod to his love for the outdoors and his roles in Western films. It perfectly captured that all-American, rugged image he often projected. From the movie sets of Hollywood to the world stage, Ronald Reagan certainly lived a life that was larger than fiction, and that's a wrap on some surprising facts about Ronald Reagan. What a journey from the rivers of Illinois to the highest office in the land. If you found these facts interesting, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. For more deep dives into history, let me know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.